Good day, students. Again, this is Batangas State University Integrated School Senior High School General Guidelines on Practical Research 2 Formatting. The following are some guidelines on IS Research 2 formatting in addition to what were explicitly stated or shown above. Throughout the paper, ito yung format natin for margin. For the left, we have 1.5 inch. Right, top, and bottom, we have 1 inch. Bakit mas malaki yung sa left? Kasi kapag nag-binding o kaya naglagay tayo ng folder, mas naglalagay tayo ng malaking space for the left. Ang font type na ginagamit natin is Arial 12. So, huwag magkakamali. Alignment should always be justified. Indentation is 0.5. Spacing natin before and after is 0. Pero, ang line spacing na ginagamit natin for research is double space, hindi 1.5 double space. Kaya lang, kapag title ang ginagamit natin, sabi dito, for titles of chapters, sections, tables, and figures, and contents of table, ay single space ang ginagamit. And avoid adding extra spaces. Avoid huge spaces at the bottom of each page except if it is the last page of the chapter. So, pag may space tayo lagi, tinataas natin yung ibang mga words para hindi lumalaki yung mga space unless ito nga yung last page natin. For the page number, naglalagay tayo sa upper right in Arabic numeral. Page number at the start of each chapter is hidden. So, ibig sabihin, for chapter 1, halimbawa, yung mismong first page ng chapter 1, hindi mo makikita yung number 1. Ang second page, which is number 2, dun palang lalabas yung number. Sa upper right nakalagay in Arabic numeral. For preliminary pages naman, tulad ng mga approval sheet, title page, yan. Ang page naman natin inilalagay sa bottom center in small Roman numeral. So, ganun naman siya nakalagay. Chapter number and chapter title. So, paano to? Below the chapter number, halimbawa nakalagay, chapter 1, bold letters, single space, only letter C is capitalized in the word chapter. So, hindi buong CHAPTER ay nakakapitalize. Letter sila. And big Roman numeral for the chapter number. Chapter title is in bold capital letters. Section title. The bold letters capitalize the first letter of major words. Example, excluding articles and proposition. No hanging title at the bottom of each page. Lahat ng table na gagawin natin ay sasabihin natin open table. Pag sinabing open table, parang ganito. Example, mag-represent tayo ng table natin for chapter 4 and chapter 5. Bawal yung may close dito. So, ito yung sinasabing open table. No cutting of tables except when the table cannot be fitted in one single page. So, halimbawa may mahaba yung table nyo, hindi pwedeng dalawang page siya. So, pagkakasahin nyo siya sa isang page. So, i-adjust nyo na lang yung mga explanation. That will be for mostly ginagamit for chapter 4 and chapter 5. Table number and table title. Below the table number. Tandaan nyo, kapag table, sa itaas siya ilalagay dito. Table. Sa ilalim ang kanyang description. Pero, pag siya ay figure, yung figure number o figure title, kung ito yung pinaka-figure niya, dito nyo sa ilalim ilalagay. Sa ilalim pagkatapos nito. Pag table sa taas, pag figure sa ilalim. Numbering of tables and figures. Tables and figures should be numbered consecutively from chapter 1 to chapter 5 as table 1, 2, 3, continue siya. So, yun nga, continuous. Pati ang figure continuous din hanggang dulo. Citation and referencing, APA style, 6th edition. Again, let's start with the title page. The order of the researchers' names is not necessarily alphabetical and shall be upon their agreement. So, bahala kayo kung ang gusto nyo ay kung sinong mauuna. Pero usually, alphabetical yung ginagamit natin. Surname shall be aligned approximately at the center. The month is not the month of the oral defense was conducted, but the last month of the semester when the course is enrolled. So, kung kailan siya in-enroll, yun ang nilalagay na buwan, hindi yung oral defense. Approval sheet. Title suffixes of signatories are limited to only 2 titles chosen by the signatories themselves. Latin suffixes is written with the periods. Example, PhD, EDD, or the LIB. Acknowledgement. The researchers are free on whom, what, and how to acknowledge, but the acknowledgement is limited to 2 pages only. Appendices. The following may be included as appendices in this order. For certifications, dapat kasama dyan yung mga validation, certificate of editing, certificate of statistical analysis, and etc. Kasama din dito yung certificate of grammar. For sample letters but do not include letters with the names of persons or names of companies if you have promised them the confidentiality of information or data gathered. Sample questionnaires if not copyrighted by other authors. And statistical outputs. Do not include the following as appendix if you have promised your respondents the confidentiality of information or data gathered. List of companies, list of population members, and the like. Lalo-lalo na yung mga pangalan ng respondents, bawal yun. Avoid also mentioning those names in the research paper. Pictures where the company's establishment or respondents can be identified, bawal yun. Unless nagpaalam kayo. Any other document where the respondents or the organizations they represent can be identified. For the curriculum vitae, include the latest curriculum vitae of each author with presentable passport size picture. So ito namang iba, ito more on the letters na. So ito ang itsura na abstract natin. Again, gagamitin ito pag tapos na yung papel. For the abstract, makakatanggap naman kayo ng format nito. And then, yun. Thank you.